Hello everybody, so it's Tuesday the 14th of February 2023. Just doing some local video clips today at Barking Harts Lane on Route 368. So here we have T182, just finishing its journey now at Harts Lane Estate, running number 7. Now we've got DW331. So Arriva have lost this route upon tendering. As of the 29th of April, the route will be going to go ahead for a 7-year contract using existing hybrid vehicles. There we have DW331, way number 8, exiting the estate on its way to Shadow Heath. Now we've got T181, just about to enter the estate. T191, running number 1. This bus was the one that had the fire, so it's long term off-road for over a year, getting repairs. And then we've got T181 pulling out of the estate. This one should be running number 9, but it's not plated. Now just departing the estate is T191. And I must say, this route for some time now has not had a mainstream of Enviro 400s, because a lot of the Enviro 400s were moved over to Norwood, so this route normally sees one T-bus. Today, it's been quite a few. And here of DW327. And that will be the last clip today for this video, because I'm getting bored, hungry and tired and thirsty. I've been here over an hour just for these clips alone. So catch up soon. Thanks for watching.